Why are these people dancing? Why is this man dressed up as a plastic bag? And why does he grab people around him? And what is this? It's time to wake up and learn some new things. Welcome back to the Meridian Expedition. We're looking for interesting, smart initiatives around the world and share them with you.
Welcome to the village of Belvedere. It is approximately 20 kilometers from Dakar, the capital of Senegal. We're here today to see the start of a grand project for the village. It is the start of the construction of something called Talokur. It is a garden that will supply the whole village with more than 1 ton of food, both fruits and vegetables, per month. Yeah, you heard me correctly. It's not 1 ton per year or per half a year. It's 1 ton of food per month for the whole village to be self-sustained. It is part of the national project that is aimed at creating villages that are self-sustained with energy, water, and food. Today we're seeing the start of the project concerning food. It is already implemented in different parts of the country, and this is just another one. There's many more to come. As you can see on the pictures of the previous projects, it is round, it is grand, and it is not only monocultures. There are many cultures here that will give villagers a proper diet at a low cost, at no cost actually. Just water it and take care of it. That's it. Very interesting. Before the process starts, it's going to take 10 days for the people to plan the whole thing. Before the whole process starts, the people are getting an educating, some sort of education where they're told the importance of preserving the environment, the importance of growing your own food, the importance of spreading the word, and the importance of doing it together.
1 week later.
8 days have passed, not 10, 8. And we have already the result. The future of Senegal is growing right here in the village of Belvedere, where the local villagers are having a great time celebrating the commence of the new Talokur garden that's going to provide the villagers with 1 ton of food per month, both vegetables, fruits, and the fish. The local population was explained how to maintain this marvel and how to prosper with its use. And this is only one step towards a great future for Senegal. We hope that other countries will also adopt this policy of making such eco-villages that will be self-sustained in food, in water, and in energy. Look at this. This house contains chickens, and they're not living in this small enclosure. They have a promenade on their own, a strip, which takes them to a bigger garden, a bigger place where they can walk around and get healthy and make more chickens. And this is so good. I love this concept. Thank you everyone who was involved. It is a great honor to be here on the day of the opening of Talokur in the village of Belvedere.
As part of the education process, it is important to show the same things in different ways so that more people understand it. And here, it's done by means of theater. It shows the importance of collective efforts and the importance of not littering and not throwing plastic on the ground. Very important topics that have to be shared all around us.
The future is now. Let's go on and look for more sustainable, interesting, and development initiatives with you. That was cool.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Meridian Expedition to learn more about sustainable development activities in your countries and other countries as well.